Sink. There we go, we sank. We've done most of the wiring harness, the glow plug things.
There's all the battery casing.
Yeah, there's no battery. That's all around there. Somewhere down there.
Actually, air filter stuff.
Oh yeah, where was that? Is that on the right of this car?
That was
yeah.
there. The battery was there. Various pipes and stuff.
Pipes. So all these pipes, which we won't bother with. All the plugs, we've got that tiny little plug here to take off. Oh yeah, the giant exhaust manifold thing that went into the EGR valve, whatever it is.
I wonder how he took it off.
Which we slightly dented. Ever so it bends though, look, if you hold it really tight. It has a nice little slinky bit.
You broke it.
No, it's fine. And then there's the turbo disconnected, except from underneath the manifold. You can see like a tiny little thing there. So all we have to do really...
We can take that off as well if we need.
Oh yeah, we should probably store these safe somewhere. But the what?
Up there?
Oh yeah, sure, that looks about safe. Let's do that instead. Now we have it on wide angle, so... We have, oh shit, we're really low on battery, but you know, I'm sure we're fine. Is that everything?
Yeah. I
think that's everything so far. So despite hours of work, we haven't done too much. I know he's gonna fall. I feel like, wait, should we put it like back here? I feel like somewhere up there, just because then we can see. Now, chuck that up there, that'll do. What do we do next? I wonder if they... Let's just guess and see. Hopefully you can see in there. It's not a very good engine. It's a great engine. This, for the record, this is a 2 litre, well 1.9 litre turbo diesel from a Golf GT TDI. It still has oil in, which is great, except it's pulling up over there but nowhere else. And we want to take it apart and clean it. But we don't know, I mean, speak for myself, I don't know anything about doing this.
No. Never
so
done anything like this before.
Don't hate us, but this is, I'm sure it'll be great. So the belt's going to be fun to take off. I'm going to pop this back on before we like give the engine some form of cancer. There we go. No, there we are. What do we do? Oh, there's more. I found more pipes. Let's disconnect those. 90% of this is going to be time lapsed, by the way. Does this pull off? Pull it! Oh, fuck me. I mean, not
my words already.
Nice, I know. Do the extra wiggle.
Always need a wiggle.
You've got to wiggle.
The most mechanical technique there is.
From us, but oh, that was close. We almost lost it.
We lost that.
It's a screwdriver. At least it didn't go in the engine bay. We're fine. So that now is detached from there. How on earth do we get out the other side? What? That sounds like a
What was
ripping.
that?
Wait, if we wiggle as much
Wiggle
as
the
we
pipe.
can. Let's wiggle as much as we can. Jesus. Oh. Oh. Oh, look, it's moving.
Yeah, there you go.
What? There we go. Now if we just kind of yank it really hard, does that? Oh god, I'm gonna die. Let's hope this doesn't work. No, I mean, it does work.
Ah,
That is in. It's gonna rip the pipes off.
they do not want to come off.
Angle grinder.
Can't I just resort to the angle grinder?
I feel like it should be moved back. Hello.
Should probably point out the car is on bricks.
Oh yeah. Oh, is it still?
I think
Oh,
so.
yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's health and safety.
Wanna
Always
show
make
the-
sure.
give us-
Yeah, there you go.
Let's see the pro mounting.
Make sure that you use correct mounting for this.
This is how we're hoisting the car up.
Yeah, that's good. I love how there's a jack here.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not using
Just
that.
one
It
side.
works perfectly.
Not both sides, just one side.
Yeah, it's the wrong side as well, because I mean,
it doesn't really give us much clearance.
we're using that to get the oil, and the oil nuts on bolts on the other side.
Get the oil.
Please don't break. There we go. Nailed it. See, it's fine.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
Clapped. Nailed it. Oh my Jesus.
That plastic bit moving down that.
It goes like down to the bottom of the engine.
Probably easy to get it if you're underneath it.
Yeah. I think it's like an exhaust sensor. Where's the angle grinder? Could you get me the angle grinder?
Did you gonna bring it out?
Nah. So here we do premium electrical work as well. You can see this wire that will not is stuck there. So, with an engine probably full of
Don't.
what?
Right, I'm just gonna stop that. Easy.
Yeah, that works.
Who said car mechanics was hard?
There we go, and that's the wiring harness moved. Yay! Now really smells of burnt electronics,
Jeez.
but I'm sure that's fine. Jesus Christ. That's a toughie. Where's our trusty metal pipe? There we go. Easy. Who needs a breaker bar? Right, so that. Oh shit. It's fine, it's just.
Bye-bye.
I'm sure we can find another bolt. Right, wiring harness is out.
There's always another bolt.
There we go, isn't
Well,
that
apart from
satisfying?
that
There's a cat, guys. We need a cat. I'm gonna stroke it. Let's go stroke it.
It doesn't want you to stroke it.
Okay, you can't get anywhere near it.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
Use the more safe option.
down, saw it.
Exactly. Saw. Oh, that is really pissing out water. Jesus. Come on. Oh, there we are.
One down.
That's one down. Two down.
Easy.
Oh. There you go. Look at that. It's more out. We've decided to only cut. Oh shit. We've decided to only cut water pipe because it's going in a boat or getting tuned up. So you know we can custom fab those. Where's that cat gone? Meow? It's back there in the shed somewhere. I think so. Where am I near?
Bit forward, bit forward. There. That's it. That's
Am
the
I
first
in?
bit. No. Wide.
Widen. Spread.
Spread it. Alright, then
Spread.
left a bit.
Left.
Left a bit.
Left.
Right, now you're on it. You're on the top
I'm on
one.
it. Top one? How many are there?
Well, no, you don't mean the top thing.
Right, okay, now what? Am
Down. Yeah, you like.
I down? Yeah, do you want to... just use your fingers to guide it on.
That way.
That way.
That way.
That
Down,
way?
That one needs to go down.
That one needs...
You've got caught in it with that one.
Right.
So you go down if you can.
I can't move really, unless we dig a hole in the floor. I'll say...
Where can you not go on your ground?
No, I might have to go underneath. Oh, that's premium. Because you know how one of the plastic panels have been removed?
Yeah.
Yeah, well now that allows us to get here. There we are. Oh, Jesus.
Tight?
That's really tight. If I grip a bit harder and move it... Is that on? Is that off?
That's completely off now.
Can you move it? Can you pull out?
What?
Can you pull it out?
I thought you never asked.
No. I thought you'd get to that point.
What's
That
this
is
bit?
knackered. It's like rusted rubber.
There's a lot of tractors around here.
Oh yeah, there's a couple of tracks.
I feel like I need a... Got it.
Oh, it's Matty.
Goodie.
Oh, is it off? Oh, you lad. There we go. That's another one gone. That didn't work. Oh god.
It's like cold.
I think. Oh, it's changing. We're forcing gear changes here.
Manual gear change.
Manual. Someone get out.
Well, it is a manual.
Yeah, this is what they meant by manual, right?
You've got mid-driving, you've got to get out, open the bonnet.
Wait, do you want to get in and change the gear and see if it does anything?
Yeah. Don't you put clutch in?
Nah, there's no clutch there.
Oh yeah.
Right, that should come out, but there's another bolt. Let's see how premium this works. Hey up.
It wasn't the car.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
Yeah. Oh, what gear is that? First. Put it in 6th. That moves a lot. 6. Oh, right, okay. Well, you know, gears work, just not the clutch. So, I'm going to take it off now. And don't take my fingers off. Oh! Wait, can I change gear? Is that moving the gear knob? Is that moving everything? I don't know how to. It pushes down at some point. Oh! Oh, what gear is that? First. Is that 3rd? How do we... Oh, and then we pull up. And then reverse. So if we push it down... Is that reverse? Really? That felt like it, because it like killed my fingers. Right, right, that's fine, and that's just in the middle. Great, right.
If we try this.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
I paid a beastly £200 for this and thought I could get it on the road.
It did start first time.
Yeah.
Just your clutch, isn't it?
It was just the clutch and then the master cylinder and a piston's dying or something.
Can we move the battery? Like.
Oh yeah.
There's a battery right there. It has a big explosive symbol on it.
It's fine. So that did about nothing.